Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rary. Thank you guys so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to try something different. It's not gonna be a hairstyle. It's pretty much gonna be me trying the hair paint. I've been seeing it all over Instagram and I feel like lately, honestly, I've been feeling kind of like adventurous. So I was kind of wondering how it would look on my hair. I love the dark hair, but I feel like spring, it has to be like a little bit more colorful. So yeah, I wanted to try something different without damaging my hair with no bleach in it. And I actually posted it on my IG story and I asked you guys, some of you guys, if I should pick between red and gold, and it was 50-50, so it was pretty much a tie. I was pretty indecisive about, like the two colors, so I decided to take two. So I have two bottles of red. I feel like gold, honestly, like everyone has been doing it, and I went on YouTube to just see like the final result, and it's not really like the gold that I want, kind of like olive-ish green with a mix of like yellow in it. It's not really giving that rich color that I want. Yeah, so I wanted to try the red one. This is what it looks like. This is it, and this is the color right here. I feel like this is honestly not really red, it's like kind of like pinkish, and I decided to take one bottle of gold just in case I want to do some sort of like highlights. So yeah, this is pretty much what we're gonna do today. I'm excited. I've already done my hair. This is a fresh wash and go, and it's like 50% dry, I will say. Yeah, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna part my hair first. Here's my hair. I feel like I don't need to spray water in it, right? Anyway, so this is the bottle, and yeah, I decided to take a towel just in case because I know it's gonna get super messy. Ooh, so let's try. But one thing I'm noticing, it smells so good. It's like it has like a sort of like smell to it. It got on my tongue. No, it smells really good actually. Yeah, it's definitely better like that. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna keep it for a few days. I don't want to transfer the color on my sheets when I sleep, and the problem with that is that I pretty much wet my hair every single day. So does that mean that I'm gonna have to deal with this like every single morning? Because I feel like some people keep it for like 3 to 5 days, right? But I feel like it's a very cool idea because if you don't want to bleach your hair, this is a good way to like change it up a little bit. Let's say if you have a like festival to go to and you're trying to do like a quick change, like last minute change, this is perfect, and you won't have to regret it later on because your hair won't be damaged. So I feel like it's a really cool idea. But on the other side, it's very messy. Oh my gosh, like everything is already transferring. I'm gonna add on this side. I think I'm gonna stick to red. I like red. I wanted to add some like gold highlights, but I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to see it. But it smells really good. I don't know if it's like good for your hair, but like man fragrance. So what do you guys think so far? I'm loving it. I'm really loving it. I'm gonna separate my hair, do section by section. And what's good about it is that like a little bit goes a long way, so. Gosh. Oh my god, you guys, look at my curls, bro. I was kind of like skeptical at first, but this is looking real good. And I feel like, yeah, like sometimes you want to stay on the safe side and really not risk anything, and that's what I've been doing, with my hair. This will be perfect, I'm kind of scared of like hair damage because I haven't been taking off my hair this good for this long for me to damage it and having to go through all the pain all over again. So I don't really know. An advice, if you want to try, you know, this like hair paint wax and stuff, make sure that your hair is like detangled, okay, so it can be spread like evenly and perfectly, because if you don't, then it's gonna be a problem. It's actually crazy because I mean, I'm almost done with my first bottle, but I feel like one bottle is gonna be enough. So see, you guys, my hair is very thick, and I literally ordered like 3 bottles. I mean 2 technically, because like 2 reds and 1 gold for the highlight, but 1 bottle is actually enough. So that proves that like a little bit goes a long way. You can see that I've been applying it like all over my hair, like not one part, like all over my hair. And I've been adding, you know, like second layers just to make sure that like the color is really there. So yeah, I feel like 1 container is enough. Oh my god, I feel like a brand new person. Now the only thing left to do, I'm gonna let you guys guess. Like, I have this amount left. Ooh, so this is what my hair looks like right now. I'm obsessed with my hair right now. I wanted to mention, I've been seeing a couple reviews on YouTube from people like saying pretty much that their hair would feel like crunchy after it being like completely dry, and I feel like mine does not, because if you watch my videos then you know that in my spray bottle I always mix water with my Curl Max Activator moisturizer by Lustre Silk. So I feel like it's probably the reason why my hair is still like feeling soft, but then the curls are like extra defined right now. If you want to try the hair paint wax, then I feel like you should do the same. And if you've been paying attention, before I apply the hair paint wax, I would section my hair, of course, spray my mixture water with the moisturizer, and then detangle it first, making sure that there's no knots whatsoever, and then apply the hair paint wax. So I feel like if you guys do that, then you should be good to go. Like, everything should be smooth, you know. I was low-key thinking about like bleaching my hair because I feel like a different person right now, and I feel like I need that, you know. You need that change sometimes. You need that change, you know. And I also want to mention that I will list, you know, where I got my hair paint wax from, and I also have a discount code, so I will list everything in the description box down below, so don't hesitate to check it out. Even though this whole thing right here looks good, one thing that I'm gonna tell you if you want to try it is to please use gloves, because my nails at first were all white, and now look at them. Look at them. I wash my hands at least 10 times and it's still not going away. So thank God these are press-ons, but yeah, make sure that you use gloves, and make sure that you use a towel, that you have a towel next to you, because things are gonna get messy. Like, I don't care how prepared you are, trust me. Like, I can't prepare it, but things got super messy. So if you can do it in your bathroom, go ahead. But you have to pretty much clean up as you go, or it's gonna be like a disaster, honestly. So make sure that you keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe, comment down below. Click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. Yeah, until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.